The TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine is leading innovation in aerospace engineering, natural gas systems, oil pipelines, pharmaceutical production, electronics manufacturing, and cleanroom pipeline systems. Today, we'll highlight its incredible capabilities in aerospace engineering. In the aerospace sector, every component must meet exacting standards to ensure safety and performance. The TATE welding machine produces precise, durable welds for critical systems like fuel pipelines, hydraulic lines, and coolant systems, all of which must perform flawlessly under extreme conditions. With its automated orbital welding technology, the TATE machine provides leak-proof connections, reducing the risk of failure during operation. Its adaptability to high-strength materials like titanium alloys makes it the perfect choice for spacecraft, aircraft, and satellite systems. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine, offering OEM and ODM services for all your aerospace needs. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oaktate.com for more details about this cutting-edge technology.